Hey guys, so I just came back from the mailbox and I received this package from modesforyou.com. I actually wasn't expecting it today because it's from Germany, as you can see, but it only took around a week, so I'm really impressed by the fast shipping. And it came in this parcel right here with like a string kind of thing right there. But anyway, I'm really excited for this review package and I got 5 squishies. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up. Now I know you're supposed to open it with like the string contraption, but it's taped over, so I can't really do that. So I'm just gonna have to use some scissors. Alright, so it looks like everything is packed in a bag, which is super cool. And that's everything. So this bag is super cute. It's got a lot of cats on it. And as you guys know, cats are my favorite animal. Okay, I think there's a note here. Oh no, it's their business card. Okay, so here's their business card and they're based in Hong Kong. And check them out, modesforyou.com. This is a really cute business card. And I suppose I'll just get right into the squishies. I'm super excited. They did let me choose the items, so it's not really a surprise. But here's the first thing. So I've been wanting the newly produced Cafe Dien squishies for a while, and they have a whole bunch of choices on their website, so that's really cool. So the first one that I chose was this white macaroon, and it has pink filling. It's a pretty good size, and then the packaging has this little sticker right there. The back has the licensing, and then it also has a gold ball chain, and this is super cool, so I'm just gonna squish it. This is so slow rising, wow, and it's super airy too. I've seen a lot of videos of these, so I'm not surprised, but this is so squishy and I highly recommend it. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Alrighty, the next thing. Oh my gosh! Okay, so this is the Cafe Dien donut, a powdered one, and then it has a kind of grid design on it. Same packaging and tag and everything. This one is equally squishy and it's also super cute. Awesome! Next thing. Oh, it's a Deco tape. That's cool. So here's the design and it's a bunch of polar bears. Super cute. Next thing I'm pulling out is... Whoa, this one is huge. It's a giant Cafe Dien croissant. I think there's a chocolate one as well. Actually, yeah, there is a chocolate one, but I just got the kind of plain regular croissant, I guess. And this one has a pink ball chain, not a golden one. This one is also really squishy. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. And I love how big it is. It's the size of my hand. And the detailing and texturing is really nice as well. It looks like a real croissant. Honestly, it's super realistic. The next thing is... Ooh, the banana. Okay, so here's a slice of banana and it's dipped in chocolate. And it also has sprinkles. And this one has a pink ball chain. Again, really nice and squishy. And this looks really delicious. And this one has some paint creases, but I'm sure it's just a manufacturing flaw. Still looks super cute though. And the last item in this bag is... Oh my gosh! This one is a strawberry cream puff, and I've wanted this since I actually first started collecting, and now that they've been newly reproduced, these are a lot more accessible, so this is really cool. And it just looks so good. Alright, I'm really excited for this one. That's amazing. You guys should definitely get a cream puff if you can. These are so cute. And that is everything in the package. I really like these squishies. Of course, Modes For You carries other things besides Cafe Dien squishies. They also have other brands, and they also have other things besides squishies in general, such as stationery and remints. So definitely check out all their products, and the link to their store will be in the description box. And I guess that's about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you guys later. Bye!